In front of you, you should have your hair cutting, line mapping, activity worksheet. Each worksheet needs to be labeled appropriately. I am going to walk you through each worksheet so that you can make sure you have all of your notes in the proper place. So your very first page should read horizontal lines, and your 2 bullet points. Horizontal lines add weight to a haircut, and they are used in low elevation haircuts. Your first head is the left side of the head, and it is displaying your radial section. You will need to draw a line from ear to the top of that display to represent your radial section. Your second head represents the back of the head. The back of the head is here, and it is also showing your profile section. These are the 2 bullet points that you need to have displayed on the side of the back of the head. Your third one is the right side of the head. It is also displaying your radial section. Go ahead and draw that line from ear to the top. Now, this is a flat drawing. If this was on your mannequin, you would draw this line from ear to ear. This projection is the top of your head. It is displaying your profile section from front hairline to the back of the head, and your radial section from ear to ear. So your 2 bullet points should read top of the head, and you are showing the profile and radial sections on this display. On your second page, you are mapping your vertical lines. Your 2 bullet points at the top should read, your vertical lines remove weight in a haircut, and they are used in layered, graduated, and high elevation haircuts. Go ahead and label each projection of the mannequin and section the mannequin appropriately on each diagram. On your third page, you are mapping your diagonal forward lines. Diagonal forward lines create movement toward the face. Go ahead and label each display appropriately. On your fourth page, you are mapping your diagonal back lines. Diagonal back lines create movement away from the face. Go ahead and label each display appropriately. In mapping our horizontal lines, we are going to practice the proper positioning of how we should create each line. So this is our horizontal line, and us as professionals, we are standing in front of the section that we're about to cut. So if I am in the back of my head, I would be standing here, and I would move my comb from the center to the exterior of my client's head. I would part the hair following that line. So on your map, you should put a dot where we're starting and draw an arrow to the finishing place. In the back of the head, we have a dot here. We're starting, and we're going to move our comb in a direction to the exterior of the head. So we're starting from interior to exterior with our horizontal lines. Remember, our horizontal lines move side to side. Now, here, it may give you that the lines look vertical, but if we turn our head, because now we're going to change positions and we are going to be standing on the side of our client, we're going to start here and we're going to move toward the hairline. So if I was actually parting my client, I'm going to start here and move to the hairline. So I'm starting interior, moving towards my exterior. In our vertical section, it's going to look a little bit different. We're going to use pivoting or pie-shaped subsectioning in the back of our client's head. This is going to keep our haircut round and complementing our cut. So we're going to start in the interior and move our way to the exterior. So as you can see, these pivoting subsections look like slices of pie. So I would use my comb. I would start on the interior and I would work my way down to the back of the head. I would work my way down to the back of the head. So we're starting at a central location and we're working our way out to create our pivoting or our pie-shaped subsections. Interior to work my way down to the back of the head. Interior, I'm working my way down to the back of my head. Subsectioning for this haircut is pivoting shapes. Now, when I move to the side of the head, I want you to turn the paper because we are standing in front of the section that we are about to cut. So we will be standing here, and now our vertical subsections are just clearly up and down. So I have a dot where I would start, and I have my arrow where I would finish. Start to finish. We are moving interior to exterior with our subsectioning. Starting here, and finishing near the hairline. We have a little less information on this page, but we are creating diagonal forward subsections. So your subsection should start here in the center, and you're going to work your way to the exterior towards the hairline. So here in the center, parting down. Here in the center, parting down. And then we move our way up towards the apex. So we start in the nape area and we work our way up. For our diagonal back mapping, we are moving in the opposite direction of diagonal forward. So on diagonal forward, we started in the center of the interior and we moved our way toward the exterior. Diagonal back, we're going opposite. So we're going to start on the exterior and move our way towards the interior on both sides. Start exterior and move our way towards the interior. Start exterior and move our way towards the interior. Remember, your diagonal back lines have a slanting or sloping direction, and your line mapping should slant or slope.